This can be written as twice of V1
and V2 upon V2
2
plus.
upon V1 plus V2. So 260 into 80 upon 60 plus 80. Yes, just copy this much.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, how did you get 2 upon V2 plus V1 upon V1 V2?
What is 2 upon A divided by B? B goes up now.
Yes.
So this went by up.
No, sir, but how did you get this equation 2 upon V2 plus V1?
Now here I got 2.
So it is 2
So
upon 1 upon V1.
how to simplify 1 upon V1 plus 1 upon V2? Is it V2,
Okay,
V1
understood,
upon?
understood.
Seven into 6, 42. Remainder 660. 7 8s are 56. Remainder 440. 7 5s are 35. Remainder 5. 7 into 7, 49. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Then they want average velocity.
Yep, displacement is 0, no? So displacement 0 upon anything equals to 0.
Correct. Average velocity is total displacement upon total time. So total displacement is 0 upon time. 0 upon anything is 0. Then one more similar type question I'm giving. Once you are done, then tell again.
Done.
Others have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A body covers equal distances with speed of 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. Find average speed. Equal distances you can call D and other half D. Speed is 60 and 40. Try this also. Any doubt while studying? If you face, even after the class, you can call me anytime.
Okay, sir.
When is the
Yes.
exam?
They are having tomorrow exam. Billabong
Ultra
student, they have got tomorrow exam. Physics is tomorrow.
All the best.
Thanks.
No, I'm not writing. They are writing. Tomorrow I can keep one extra lecture for you. Keval, after class you beta, we'll plan for the week for you.
Today and tomorrow, not.
No, just wait. Let me complete. Then after class you wait. Just give me 2 minutes. Completed this one. Got the answer. Keval, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm finding.
Find out others also. Sudhanshu, Tarun,
Yes, sir.
average speed, total distance upon total time.
Sir, I got 48 kilometer per hour.
I think you are correct. Just see, I've done. Did you get the answer? Check. Now you all understood this one. How to find?
Yes, sir.
When time is not given, speed given, then distance upon speed is time.
Okay, sir.
Sudhanshu, what is your answer?
Sir, same 48 kilometers.
Now Tarun, with some doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in 11th one.
11th one, okay. A body moves from rest. What is meaning of from rest?
0. U is equal to 0.
U is 0. Beautiful. Correct. Moves with uniform acceleration and travels distance of 270 meter in 3 seconds. But find the velocity after 10 seconds from start. So find velocity V 10 seconds after start. Using this, can we get acceleration?
Yes, sir.
S is
UT plus
UT
half AT square.
plus half AT square. Once I get acceleration, then can I say acceleration is V minus U upon time T2?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first distance 270, starting 0, time is 3 plus half into A into 3 square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 270 equals to 9A upon 2. Therefore, from here, A will become 270 into 2 upon 9, 9 into 30. So A equals to 60 meter per second square. Then A is 60, V we want U0 at the end of 10 seconds. So from this, V will become 600. Now
Yes,
follow.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Difficult है थोड़ा, click होना चाहिए exam में. With this, I got A, then using A, I got B. But see, whatever you are asking, na, first you'll practice after lecture is over. Then you will remember. Otherwise, you will forget. And एकदम end में magnetism revise करना please, because वो theoretical है, नहीं तो भूल जाएगी. हाँ.
हाँ सर.
Light, you know everything. Light.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in that also, but I'll say after this.
Yes, in sequence we'll go. Now you have asked me 1, 2, 3, 4 till 11. After 11, which sum?
Sir, I'm having a doubt in 13, but I'm now writing this.
After this, I will do 13 then.
Yes, sir. Done.
Some number
Sir, just
now
a minute.
13. no? Yes, both of you have completed. Everybody is completed. Three
Yes,
of you.
sir.
Yes sir, done.
Keval.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 13. A car travels with uniform velocity of 25 meter per second for 5 seconds. Brakes are applied and car is retarded and comes to rest. Means V is 0. Hello?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
V is 0. The brakes are then applied. After 5 seconds, brakes are applied, or before 5 seconds? Or at
After
just
5 seconds.
after 5 seconds, they apply the brake. And car comes to rest in further 10 seconds. Further. First 5 seconds तक ब्रेक नहीं है, यूनिफॉर्म. उसके बाद ब्रेक लगाया, अगला 10 सेकंड में it comes to rest. Find the distance covered before the brakes are applied. Before the brakes are applied means first part. Retardation means negative acceleration. Then total displacement after the distance traveled after the brake, S2. First part is with brake or without brake? First part with brake or without brake?
Without brake.
Without brake means with constant acceleration or uniform velocity?
Uniform.
Uniform velocity means
velocity.
acceleration is 0. Correct, na? So can I say before brakes are applied, acceleration is 0 or not?
Yes sir.
Yes.
What is displacement formula? Ut.
UT plus half AT square.
So it is S is ut1 plus half at1 square. Q is 25. T1 is 5 with no acceleration. So I can say 125 meters. I hope you followed.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Then second part is with acceleration. We want what is acceleration. So what is formula for acceleration? Is it V minus U upon T?
Yes.
T means T2, no? After brake applied.
Yes sir.
So brake applied, I don't know what is acceleration. V will become 0 after 10 seconds.
Yes.
Initial velocity of 25 when the brake is applied. So can I say now acceleration is minus 25 upon 10. So it is minus 2.5 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
That means retardation equals to 2.5 meter per second square. Copy this too. Then I'm finding displacement when brakes are applied with acceleration. This sum you want me to do?
Yes, sir.
So, केवल this sum.
Sir, on
yes,
page
sir.
number
That is
153.
difficult.
Completed this one? Complete till this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir,
I'm writing.
completed.
Writing, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. That one was very difficult.
Acha, I'm doing that also. Now for second part, do we know acceleration? For second part, do we know acceleration?
No,
Chalo,
we
bolo.
found it. No, we found it.
Second part, do we know acceleration?
We found it.
That means we are knowing now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can I use this formula?
Yes, sir.
Can I use this formula?
Yes.
The
Anyone we
first
can.
one.
Anyone.
In first one, I know final velocity and acceleration and initial. So I can use that. Even second is chalega. Finally comes to rest. Initially moving with 25. Acceleration is minus 2.5. Displacement is S2. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
25 square is it 625?
Yes.
Minus 2 into 2.5 is 5.
Yes, sir.
So 5 S2 is 625.
Yes.
625 upon 5.
125.
25.
5 into 1, 5.
It
Remainder
does be
one.
125.
5 into 2. Yes, both are 125, 125. Good. After this, which sum, Tarun?
Yes, sir. Done.
That's it?
No, sir, I have a doubt in next sum.
Okay.
Next chapter.
नो फर्स्ट अच्छा ठीक ये इसका हो गया
हाँ.
इसमें एक सम है केवल ने भेजा है वो सम डिक्टेट करता हूं देन विल गो टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर
Okay.
1 micrometer is how many meter
10 raised to minus 6.
10 raised to minus 6 बराबर 1 shake is how many second yes 1 shake is how many second
Sir, I forgot.
10 raised to minus 8 write down 1 shake equal to 10 raised to minus 8 1 nanometer is how many meter
10 raised to minus 9.
1 fermi 1 fermi
10 raised to minus 12.
15.
minus 15 perfect 1 fermi 10 raised to minus 15 1 astronomical unit
1.49 section to 10 raised to 11 meter.
correct now one sum which Keval just send me I'm writing on the screen so that we can discuss it out see our lecture is till 5:30 but still you have doubt you can call me anytime till 1 o'clock night because after that you also should sleep to give the exam properly in the morning a particle see when physics exam is first means you are lucky फिर बाकी का सब easy हो जाता है ना a particle starts to move Sudhanshu ammeter is connected in series or in parallel yes Sudhanshu ammeter is connected in series or in parallel
Sir, series.
series resistance must be low or high
For ammeter, sir. Low.
low correct and for voltmeter
For voltmeter, it should be high.
how voltmeter is connected
Parallel.
parallel ideal voltmeter resistance is इन्फिनिटी,
अच्छा infinity.
हाई का आइडियल इन्फिनिटी होता है ना, लो का आइडियल 0 होएगा. A particle starts to move in a straight line from a point where velocity 10 meter with velocity 10 meter per second and acceleration of -2 meter per second square. Find the position and velocity of particle at t equal to 5 second, comma t dash equal to 10 second. Try this, see whether you can get. Can you do this? Any of you got the answer?
Sir, I got the velocity number 1.
Number
Zero.
1 and second one you got number 2. Don't do up, please.
No.
Acha.
Velocity number 1, where v1 is there, no, that is 0.
V1 you are getting 0.
Hmm.
Okay. So velocity formula is u plus at. That means V1 will become 10 plus of -2 time T1 is 5. V1 is 10 minus 10. Velocity V1 becomes 0. Barabar. Then displacement is ut plus half
So
S1
is
is ut
equal
half.
to square plus 2as is easy.
That way also you can do. But see, I'm taking that quantity which is given.
Hmm.
S1 u is 10, time is 5 plus half -2 into 5 square. So it is 50 minus 5 square, 25. That means 25 meter. For second part, V2 is U plus A T2. V2 U is 10 minus 2 T2 is 10. Therefore, V2 is 10 minus 20. V2 is minus 10 meter per second. माइनस 10 इंडिकेट
करने से तो पीछे भी चला जाता है।
मतलब ऐसा जाके रिवर्स आ गया होगा बॉडी,
तो
so it might have gone temporary at rest and U turn मार दिया ना इधर।
हाँ सर, ये मेरे एग्जाम में था, मैंने लिखा कि पहले स्टॉप हो गया था, इसलिए अभी कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, इसलिए 0 लिखा।
नहीं चेंज होगा ना, ये मतलब क्या हो गया, ये स्टॉप होके फिर यू टर्न मारा ना ऐसा।
हम्म।
कैन यू प्रेडिक्ट S2 0 आया मतलब क्या,
यानी कि वो अपने प्लेस पे वापस आ गया।
हाँ।
मतलब ये यू टर्न मार के वापस वही जगह पे आ गया ना, ऐसा बोला। Now Tarun, after this which sum you want?
थैंक यू।
Tarun, you are there?
Sorry, he left the meeting. He's not there.
No, he might have got disconnected, he won't left.
Yes.
You have any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, on page number 166, sir, when we are the uses of spherical mirror, sir, I had a doubt like in concave mirror and convex mirror, both of them they have given as a reflector.
Page number
166.
166. What they have given?
In uses of spherical mirror, the second one for the concave one and the first of convex, both they have given same as a reflector. So last time it had come, so I wrote it concave and I got it right. So I'm confused like what is the difference between both of them?
See, one is given as a reflector where in torch, in searchlight, in headlight, correct no?
Yes.
Where concave mirrors are used as a reflector to get parallel beam. Means if I want parallel beam of light to travel long distance, तो गाड़ी में अगर दूर का देखने का तो लाइट जाना चाहिए ना ऐसा पैरेलल।
हाँ।
उसके लिए लोग गाड़ी में क्या रिफ्लेक्टर लगा देते अपना ये कांच के अंदर जिधर लाइट रहता है, जिधर लाइट आता है ये इधर से चला जाता है, ऐसा इंसिडेंट होता है ऐसे अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में, फिर रिफ्लेक्ट होकर पैरेलल हो जाता है, तो दूर तक जा सकता है ना।
Yes, sir.
तो रिफ्लेक्टर का दो काम है, एक तो एक पॉइंट पे कन्वर्ज करेगा, दूसरा पैरेलल करेगा ना।
Hmm.
अगर स्ट्रीट लैंप है, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
if it is street lamp, there if I use this mirror, ऐसा इधर वाला पॉलिश स्ट्रीट लैंप पे, तो इधर से लाइट कन्वर्ज होएगा ना वो पॉइंट पे स्ट्रीट लैंप पे,
Yes.
तो उधर लाइट दिखेगा ना पूरा कन्वर्जिंग। तो
Yes, sir.
convex lens, convex polished metallic surface is used in straight line as reflector to diverge light from larger surface. So if you want diverging light like this, दूर दूर जाना चाहिए ना डाइवर्जिंग मतलब,
हाँ.
और इधर स्ट्रेट जाना चाहिए ना, तो देखना यूज क्या है। इट इज यूज्ड इन टॉर्च, मतलब दूर देखने के लिए, सर्च लाइट दूर देखने के लिए, हेडलाइट दूर देखने के लिए, तो पैरेलल बीम चाहिए ना आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन,
Oh.
then it is used in as a concave mirror. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but if you want to diverge the light, then reflector in street light to diverge,
Means बड़ा
इसमें
एंगल दिखेगा.
हाँ बड़ा एंगल दिखेगा, यानी कि फील्ड ऑफ व्यू ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
Okay, sir.
विच अदर?
No, sir.
यस
Sir,
सर,
I have a doubt.
विच पेज?
153. I couldn't find the difference between a plane mirror and from a plain sheet of a paper.
153.
It is question number 5.
153 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। हाँ क्या लिखा है? Differentiate between reflection of light from plane mirror and plane sheet of paper. Plane mirror, it will become regular reflection. Plane sheet, irregular reflection. Plane sheet मतलब irregular रहेगा ना ऐसा?
Okay, sir.
What is now? One will give regular reflection, other will give irregular reflection.
Irregular.
But it's plain, so how it will be visible?
पेपर स्मूथ नहीं रहता ना, प्लेन मिरर तो पॉलिश रहता है।
हाँ. Sir, I even wrote about diffuse light. Like it will absorb little bit and then it will.
डिफ्यूज लाइट ही मतलब इरेगुलर लाइट।
Okay.
विच अदर वन? विच अदर?
No, sir, I don't have any other.
I am giving one. If reflected ray is perpendicular to incident ray, then what is angle of incidence? Do you know how to solve?
You have to take reflected ray as 90
तो
degree.
can I?
You know how to solve, Keval?
Yes, sir.
Sudhanshu, do you know how to solve? Don't waste time now. You have to be prompt. Don't wait. If you are knowing, yes, not knowing, no, because then only I can move ahead. Sudhanshu, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir. I said I don't know, sir.
no, I did heard. Same sum I had given you in the exam once.
Yeah.
Reflected ray.
45 degree.
Keval 1 minute, huh? Because their exam is there, no? So reflected ray is perpendicular to incident ray. That means angle between incident ray and reflected ray total 90 है ना इसका मतलब?
Yes, sir.
So can I say, since after drawing the diagram, since incident ray and reflected ray are perpendicular. Therefore, I plus R will be 90. Since I is same as R, so I plus I will become 90. 2I 90. I equal to 45 degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
केवल same method you also had thought?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I feel this can come in your school exam. In plane mirror, you can say light after reflection has same intensity. In plain sheet of paper, less intensity.
Okay, sir.
First was regular, irregular. Same intensity, different intensity. Does not absorb some light.
Okay, sir.
What are neutral points?
Neutral points are the points at which magnitude of the magnetic field lines is equal, but direction is opposite.
Other definition है ये तो. This is half definition ना?
Sir, then net
हाँ बराबर. उसका आगे चाहिए ना. The net magnetic field at neutral point is 0.
magnetic field is 0.
Neutral points are points at which two magnetic fields are equal in magnitude but opposite direction. The net magnetic field at neutral point is 0. That you have tried now.
Okay, sir.
A compass
Okay,
needle
sir.
placed at the null point will rest in any direction. Can I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No.
I also have one doubt. For example, if in the exam it comes define 1 meter, so are we supposed to say that in 1889 the meter was originally defined, or we have to say the answer of the fraction 1/299?
Anyone you can write.
Okay.
So एक ही example बोलो. If at neutral point magnetic field is 10, unit is Weber per meter square, then what is BH? Means horizontal component of Earth's field. कराया था आप लोग को मैंने exam. At neutral point B and BH are same, no? They are equal, no? Equal and opposite means they are equal.
Yes.
So can I say B will be 10 only?
Yes, sir. Same. You had given a sum also.
If two neutral points are separated by 40 meter, what is distance of one neutral point? If this is magnet, north facing north, south facing south, neutral point is on equator. It can be on left side, it can be on right side. दो का बीच का distance 40, तो एक का कितना?
20.
20 from center. Shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
If this is magnet, I cut into two parts. What will be the poles in this?
South and north.
This is south, this is north.
No, sir.
No, sir.
In both of them, there will be south and north.
There will be south, north in both. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can we have individual pole?
No, sir.
No, always there is two pole
2
together.
points.
Diagram you are knowing how to draw?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any now doubt
Sir?
your? Huh?
Sir, can you tell the definition of a natural magnet?
Natural magnet.
Yes, sir.
Load lodestone is natural magnet. है ना?
Okay, so how do we define it?
The magnet which is found in the earth is called as natural magnet.
Found naturally in Earth.
Okay, so is it okay? Actually, which in the test which you had given, I wrote that Earth is a natural magnet.
No. Earth behaves like a giant magnet.
Okay.
It is not natural magnet. The piece of lodestone, you should write like this. A piece of lodestone found in nature is called natural magnet.
Okay, sir.
They are found in different shape and size.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir,
No, sir.
if there is a distinguish between like artificial magnet and natural magnet, so
Hmm.
sir, what 2 points can be right? Means first is natural magnet is weak and second artificial magnet is stronger magnet. But second one is like they both are in irregular shape.
No, both are not in irregular shape. Lodestone can be of any shape. Sorry, natural magnet can be of any shape, but artificial magnet can be given the shape such as horseshoe magnet, magnetic needle, bar magnet.
Okay, a desired shape. Like.
So it can be given desired shape. Yes, must word बोल दिया आपने desired shape.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Naturals are irregular and any shape, but artificial you can make the shape, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, if the question comes, tell any 3 uses of artificial magnets, what will we write?
Artificial magnets are used to separate the ion particle from the mixture, to separate the ion particle, to lift
Okay.
heavy load, ion loads. It behaves as a एक तो ये हो गया, दूसरा it can be used in magnetic compass needle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
To lift, to separate ion particles, to separate, to lift heavy ion load, magnetic compass needle.
Sir,
Okay,
just
sir.
a minute, sir. Don't take this. I'm right. Just
Neatly I will write. To separate ion particles from mixture. So now second one you can write, na?
yes, sir.
To lift heavy ion load. Then in magnetic compass needle to find direction. Third, in magnetic compass needle to find direction. Anything else?
No, sir.
So now, still if doubt is there when you are doing your revision on your own, please remember me and my number.
Yes, sir.
So best of luck for your exams. Fully write the paper, avoid silly mistakes.